Hello guys and welcome back. Today I am with my dad. We are going to be taking a closer look at this. It's the Carista OBD2 thing. This is a device that plugs into your OBD2 port and it can unlock some hidden features of your car. So today we're going to be trying it out with the GR Yaris and see what features it can unlock for the car. Let's get right into it. First, we need to locate where the OBD2 port is. It's probably somewhere here. This is the one for opening the hood, and just behind that is that one. Let's open this. There, so that's what it looks like, guys. So yeah, it's a simple plastic dongle that you just insert here. And you know that it's inserted because it lights up. So since I'm using my phone to record, my dad's gonna be downloading the app. So you just scan the QR code. So there guys, tapos na mag-download. So let's click open. So here's the menu guys of the Carista app. So you just click connect. Okay. So what kind of OBD adapter are you using? There's a lot of options here. So just click Carista. So there, it's connecting to the device that we just plugged over there. So guys, I have transferred to my phone. Here is the menu of what you can access with this Carista OBD2 dongle. So for example, for the chassis and the engine, you can cancel the active noise cancellation and the engine sound enhancement. And then you can also mess with the seatbelt warnings. And then for driver assist, the PCS, which is the pre-collision system, you can mess with that. And yeah, here, display odometer after ignition is turned off. You can set the time. Then for the lights, the exterior, when you use your turn signals, you can indicate how many flashes you want, up to 7 flashes. And then the volume, if you want it low, medium, or high. And then the interior lights, turn on interior lights when you shut off engine. That's a yes. And then for the windows and sunroof, which is what I'm interested in, open windows and sunroof via long press on remote. I'm gonna turn that on. So you just choose on and then click save. And then it's gonna show you this thing where it says here free 1 month trial because you have the Carista OBD2 adapter. So we're gonna click on that. So guys, it kind of sucks that you only get a 1 month trial period and then you have to pay monthly. But then I think that if you're able to like choose the settings that you want in the first 31 days, which basically you can just cancel the plan the moment that the free trial period ends. Okay guys, we're back. So I was able to finally link my GCash account to pay for the subscription. So we get 31 days free trial. So now, as you can see, the save button has an unlock icon on the left. So now, open windows and sunroof via long press on remote. On, click save, and it's going to save. Ta-da! So there, as you can see, it's on. So yeah, there's a bunch of features here, guys. And I think I've showed you most of them. So you can just go through this video to see all of these options. So now I'm going to be choosing the stuff that I want. And I'll get back to you guys and show you what I've turned on and turned off. Just a quick proof that the Carista OBD2 works. So I don't know if you know, but so if you use the turn signals, it flashes 3 times. So right now I've set it at 4 flashes. 4 flashes. See? So that's just the proof that this thing works. I've also activated the automatic windows down and windows up when you hold the button on the key fob. We're gonna hold down the unlock button and the window is supposed to go down by itself. So let's do it. Aha, it works. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And if we hold down the lock button, it's supposed to go up. Oh, that is cool. Yes, we've confirmed that the automatic windows up and windows down works. And I think one thing that most of you viewers are super interested to see is the difference between the active noise cancelling and sound enhancement if it's on or off. So obviously the stock GR Yaris comes with these features when you buy the car. So we're gonna try turning it off and then drive around, and I will let you guys know if I can hear the difference. For the active sound enhancement thing that the GR Yaris does, here's a clip of the car revving to 4K with the sound enhancement turned on. Here it is, guys, the engine sound enhancement. We're gonna turn it off just like that, and then we're gonna wait for it to save the setting. So here it is, engine sound enhancement turned off. I don't know about you guys, but to me, like sitting here inside the cabin and revving the engine to 4K, there's a big difference with the engine sound enhancement off. I think I prefer it off because I can hear what the engine is doing and what it really sounds like, and no noise is being pumped in from the speakers already, and the difference is real. I really want it to be off, so I think I'm keeping it this way. Now next up would be the active noise cancellation, and I think the only way to test that is to drive around the city and give my feedback. I don't know if I'll be able to capture that because I don't have the high quality mic. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So we're just gonna be cruising at 60, and you know, just to make you guys hear the difference, so at least the speed is controlled. There are 60 to 70 on 5th gear. This is what it sounds like. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly couldn't hear a difference with the active noise cancelling off, so I might leave it on for mine. Definitely the engine sound enhancement thing, yeah, that one you can hear, so I'm gonna keep that off because I prefer it without. And so that, you know, maybe once we put an exhaust on Project GR Yaris, then we're gonna finally hear the true sound of the GR Yaris without all those fake noises coming in from the speakers.
A few moments later.
Yep. So given that the settings will remain even if the dongle is off, then this means that this Carista thing can actually be free. You only need to make the settings within a month, and then you can just unsubscribe so that you don't have to pay anymore. Oh. So guys, final thoughts on the Carista dongle. For me, I think if you're a GR Yaris owner and you want to take off the annoying fake sounds from the speakers and you want to activate the automatic windows down and windows up feature, then I think it's a really worth it product to have. Because you don't really have to pay, you just have to make these settings before the 31-day free trial period expires. And after that, you can just cancel the subscription so you don't have to pay for anything. Regarding the active noise cancellation, I haven't really been able to feel the difference or hear the difference. Maybe because I don't have an exhaust, because I think it's best to hear how the active noise cancellation would cancel out the sound of the exhaust. But right now we're still on the stock exhaust, so we can't do anything about that right now. But with the artificial sound enhancement, at least that's gone. So now I can hear the turbo more. I can hear the turbo spools and the blow off from the intake. I can hear that more because there's no sound coming from the speakers already that's interrupting the natural sound of the engine. So yeah. Before I end this video, guys, just a quick update on Project GR Yaris. As you can see, we have the spacers installed. That's why the car looks wider. And then we also installed the FJ Craft long split mat in the trunk already. Don't mind these parts. These are for my friend who owns a Shelby GT500. And that's gonna go onto his car. Shout out to you, Andre. Thanks for buying the carbon fiber key case, just like mine. But this one is red. So yeah, we unboxed this in our unboxing video. You can click here at the top right to see the video. So yeah, this is the FJ Craft long split mat. It's called long split because it's basically long until the seats and it's split. So when the seats go up, it looks like this. Yeah. So I can basically put my road bike here and it's not gonna damage the seats because this thing is tough. So yeah, guys, that's about it for this Carista product review / vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below so that I can answer them. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload GR Yaris content. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. You guys take care. Goodbye.